Okay, a little bit different video purpose today. This is my 1998 Expedition Eddie Bauer, 5.4, and that's about it. But anyway, it's a piece of garbage. This is my daily driver, hence the filth. It's just what I drive to work, and we have a gravel parking lot. What I'm going to test today is one of the coolest features that this Expedition has, I think. And that is the air ride has logic in it so that when you put the vehicle into 4 low, it actually pumps up a little higher. So we're going to test it out, see how much higher it goes, and I think that'll be kind of cool, so follow along. So to start with, I just drove this in here and drove it a couple miles to get here, so it should be all pumped up and ready to go. So we're going to get our baseline measurement. I'm just going to take this level just for reference and the old tape measure, and I'm going to go off the bottom of the top of the wheel arch. So this we'll say is at 35 inches. So I'm going to do that on all the wheels just in case for whatever reason one of the sides is a little lower than the others. So I'm going to do that now and record everything. Okay, so it pumped up just now, and the compressor stopped running, so I'm going to retake those same measurements, and I'm just going to leave it running while I do this quick. Well, we did a little basic figure in here. And you can see kind of the score sheet as I was doing this. So my 2-wheel drive heights, my 4 low heights, then the difference between the two, which obviously was positive. And that got us an average on the front of about almost 2.5 inches, and an average on the back of just over 1.5 inches. So that's kind of cool for 1998. They were thinking of us there. So maybe that was really common back in the day, but I'm not aware of it. So. The new Ram trucks advertise that sometimes about the air ride and stuff. So anyway, give yourself a little advantage when you're going through the snow or something like that. It does make it ride pretty rough. I suppose there's quite a bit more air in there, but anyway, it's kind of a different video, so hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.